Hi, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for clicking on my video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious vegetable soup, also known as Efo Riro. So let's get started. Please watch this video to the end. I am using shaki, turkey, and macrofish. I've already boiled it. Here's my palm oil. I'm not going to wait for the oil to bleach because we are cooking vegetable soup. I have already blended a lot of crayfish, tomatoes, scotch bonnet pepper, and onion. You can use any meat of your choice. You can use beef, goat meat, you can use chicken, and you can also use any fish of your choice. You can boil the meat with seasoning cube, black and white pepper, onion, and if you are the type that eats salt, add little salt when you are boiling the meat. This is my fresh spinach, so I'm still rinsing it. This is what I'm going to slice now. This is locust beans, spring onion, and some little onion. That is the broth from the shaki, fish, and turkey. You can add little if you want your vegetable soup to be very thick, but I don't like when it's too thick, so I poured in everything. And I have fish. My new subscribers, I will not forget to welcome you. Welcome to this beautiful family. I really appreciate. God bless you. If you are watching this video and you have not given this video thumbs up, please like my video, comment below, share with your families and friends. If you have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do that. And also remember to click on the bell notification so that whenever I upload a video, you will be notified. Please help me share. God bless you. Watch the video to the end. This vegetable soup was so delicious. Would you like to give it a try? Let me know at the comment section. Please support me by sharing with your families and friends. We have come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thanks so much for watching my video. Watch other videos on my channel. If you have not liked this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave your comment below this video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload video, YouTube will notify you. Thanks so much, and I would like to see you on my next video. Bye bye.